Welcome to video 22, where we'll look at how to use and configure feature codes and star codes on the Yeastar S-Series phone system. Hi, I'm Darzuk with the Healy Technology Report, and this is video 22. We're going to look at how to configure and use feature codes and star codes on the Yeastar S-Series phone system. Now, before we get into that, I'll mention our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Healy Canada, and please subscribe. We've got lots of great videos, and when you subscribe, you get a notification as we add more content there. Now, in addition, we do have a coupon for you at the end of this video for our online store at buyphonesonline.ca. Please check that out, and without further ado, let's jump in and see how this is done. Okay, so here we are on the Yeastar S50 phone system, and we're going to go into settings. This is the same on all of the models in the S-Series line. Settings, and then to general. And from general is feature codes up here. So here's just a load of different feature codes. What the benefit here is to use them as buttons. You can put a list of these in front of a user, but they're probably going to get confused. But we can program these as buttons. So some of these feature codes, like star 1, we're just going to create a button. Other ones like intercom. Here's a star 5. So with star 5, if we wanted to dial extension 1001, we would put a speed dial in here at star 5 1001. Let's have a look at the one touch record and setting that up as a speed dial button. So we're going to go into the auto provisioning here. Now you can also do this directly on the phone interface, but I find it's going to be a little bit easier to do it through the auto provisioning. Now, with the auto provisioning, you are going to have to set up a you're going to have to reboot the phones for the settings to come across. So I'm going to set up a line 4 key. Now this is on my T27G phone here, and we've got buttons 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here line paging, and then we're going to put in a speed dial button here. So we're going to go speed dial. Value is star 1, and this is record call. Now if I go save, reboot phone now, it's going to reboot the phone, and then as it's rebooted, I'll have a new button down here that says record call. So really great feature, add a lot of value and benefit to the phones that you're provisioning and sending out. You can do it in the interface here, but you can also go into the Yealink web interface and set up these speed codes as well. So that was video 22, where we had a look at using feature codes or star codes on the Yeastar S-Series phone system. Now, we've got lots of great videos on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Healy Canada, and check that out. Also, at the end of the video here, we've got a coupon for you at our online store, buyphonesonline.ca, and we've got all things VoIP. We've got phone systems in there, phones. We've got solar power for phones, so you can mount a phone out in the middle of a field somewhere. We've got wireless bridges, PoE switches, everything that we recommend. So please check that out. I'm Darzuk with the Healy Technology Report. Thanks for watching.